Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So while scrolling on devblogs.microsoft.com, then I found a very interesting topic regarding how we can create chat application, AI chat application in .NET. Yes, it is possible, and definitely we should learn this thing. And we are .NET Core developers, and we only limited to the APIs, MVCs, and some database operations. So such kind of things we always limited to the websites and these kind of things. Now this time is to build ourselves and build a new skill regarding uh, chat applications, AI chat application. And we know that today's era is for AI, and that's why Microsoft comes with the AI models and AI integrations as well. And we know that ML.NET is also exist new with the new framework. So in this video, we will see how we can create our first chat application using GitHub models. And first, we need to add a new template regarding for this AI chat application. So how we can do this? So if you want to add this template in your system, so simply you will have to copy this command and open your uh, terminal in your operating system. So right now I'm using Windows 11, so I will use command prompt as a terminal. Okay, so simply I will just open this terminal. Okay, and I will paste this command, which is .NET new install microsoft.extensions.ai.templates. And if you hit the enter, then you will see that there will be two new templates will be added in your Visual Studio, and which is uh, AI chat web application, and second is MCP server. Or here we will use AI chat web application, or it is a Blazor based web application. So simply we will see that how we can create our first application using the Blazor. Or if you are Blazor expert, if you are good in Blazor, then you should uh, learn this as well. Or I highly recommend you to create your own project with custom logic or custom UI as well. Okay, and definitely you will be able to add this new skill in your resume as well. Or here you will go to this Visual Studio, and I will click on create new project. And while you uh, click on the all platforms, or then you will see a new option which is AI. Just click here and you will see that there are two new templates there. So I will use AI chat web application. Simply I will click the next, or my I will put my project name as my chat, like this. Or just click next. Or let's see, it is asking me to choose the .NET framework, so I will use .NET 9. Or service provider will be GitHub Models, or vector store will be local on disk. Or simply I will create this application. Or I already told you that this is Blazor based application. Or if you are good in Blazor, then you should start learning this framework. Or you have to grow and you have to learn a new skill as well. So here is the application is created, and this is the first page, which is readme.md. So there are instructions is written. Okay, then you don't need to worry about these instructions. Okay, I will explain you each steps one by one practically as well. And if you just go to Solution Explorer, then you will see the project structures as well. Simply in this project, first we have to add new GitHub Models token. So let's see how we can create our first GitHub Models token. So just go to the browser, or just to search here GitHub Models like this. or then you will see that a new link which is github.com marketplace and type is models. Just click this link and you will appear on this page. Or and the important thing is that which model should I add in our application. Just go to the back in the application or click on the program.cs. Then while you scroll down, then you will see that chat client will be GPT-4 Mini model. So simply we have to find this model. So just go to this page, or if you go to the most popular, then while you scroll down, then you will see that GPT 4.4 mini model. Just click on this tab, or just use this model, or make sure that the language should be selected as a C sharp, or just create your personal access token like this. And I will put the name as a chat app like this. And while you scroll down, then you have to generate your first token and make sure that your token is visible only for the first time while you creating this token. If you reload this page accidentally, or if you close this tab, then you should again create the new token if you lost your token. Okay, so simply I will just copy this thing, go to your application and go to the readme file as well, or simply you have to copy this thing. Okay, or you have to add this line in your user secret manager. So like this, if you click over there, then you will see that secret.json, or just paste the thing that we have copied from the readme.md, or you have to paste your token as well. So this is my token. Like this we can add our token in the user secret manager. And let me explain you the project structure as well. So this is the root file, root folder, or in this the data folder we have two PDFs, and there are some libraries that we are using, or there are components as well. We know that Blazor is based on components uh, based. Okay, or if you go to the services, then you will see that ingestions, data ingestions, ingestion sources, and PDF directive sources. Okay, so such kind of things is written here. Okay, and if you want the code explanation of this project, then simply just you have to drop me uh, your your comment in this comment box of this video. Okay, then I will create the separate video for explanation video of this code. Okay, then I will explain each line of code as well. Okay, so and in the program CS we have so many things regarding that. We have a token as well, GitHub Models token. Okay, or we are using GPT-4 Mini model, and we are using the vector store database. So such kind of things we are using in the middleware of this application. Okay, so uh, if we run this application, then we will see the user interface of this application like chat gpt or deepseek kind of. Or there we will found the search bar, or in the search bar you have to write your, like you have to ask anything regarding the things. Okay, but we are limited here because it is a very basic AI chat application. If you want to go further, okay, then you have to implement your own custom logics. And if you are good expert in the Blazor, then you can do this very simply. Okay, and you will definitely love the UI as well. So yes, in this way we got our first UI of this application. So it is similar to, I told you that it is similar to the chat gpt. Okay, or there are two PDFs that we have shown in the data folder, which is emergency survival kit or GPS watch. Let me show you it again. Just go to the root folder data, then these two PDFs are available. So simply I can ask the questions regarding these two PDFs. So I will ask the questions regarding emergency survival kit. Okay. So simply I will ask that what's inside emergency survival kit, or if you just hit the enter, then you will see that uh, new content is generated there. Okay, and it is creating the answers as well. I will ask him another questions that emergency contact information. Simply I will copy and paste it here, then it will give me the answer as well, like this. Or if I ask him that first aid guide, first aid guide, like this, then it will tell me that what's the first aid guide and what is written in this PDF regarding first aid guide. So hit the like button and share this video to your friends or colleagues on YouTube as well, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, or so that audience like you can know the new things about the .NET. Or if you love this thing, then you should start building your own chat application in the Blazor. And I told you and I explain you each steps regarding the implementation of the models, GitHub models as well, and how we can create the GitHub access token for the GitHub models. Okay, so in this way we can use and we can create our first AI chat application. If you love this content, just hit the like button. Or happy Diwali guys, thank you for watching this video. Or till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.